Which platforms you can maintain a personal brand on? I know till now I've been using LinkedIn a lot, but that's not the only platform that you can use to build your personal brand. So, for example, if you take LinkedIn, let me start right there. You have the best source of professional contacts no matter what your niche is. I'm not a brand ambassador for LinkedIn, but this one app has helped me connect with so many inbound leads during my 3 years of freelancing. So you can showcase your experience, you can get referrals from other people, you can get recommendations for the work you have done, you can check industry insights, you can launch a newsletter there, you can post content frequently talking about the different areas of expertise you have. And the whole point of sharing content like this is people start thinking this girl is giving so much for free. So imagine if I paid her, how much more she would come and do for me. So that is where content on LinkedIn comes in, and you can also engage with other people. Don't just post and ghost people, posting content, expecting people to come and see it. You go on the top people in your industry, you find their post, whatever you found interesting, go drop some value in the comments, go like it, put some love, and you'll automatically get that love back. Now, let's say you're not into LinkedIn, you're not interested in content writing. What's the next thing you can do? You can go to various industry specific platforms and communities across different social media platforms, else through online websites. For example, if you're a startup founder, you can check Angel List, you can list yourself over there. You can check ResearchGate if you're into academics. You can launch your research paper over there, or you can showcase the research you're doing over there. You have Upwork, you have Fiverr, you have 99 designs for any freelancers. If you're into programming, you can check Overflow. If you want any specialized forum like Bigger Pockets, you will get a lot out of it if you're into real estate. And say you're an IT professional, you can check out Spiceworks. These are just some names I'm dropping around over here. But the point of this is using these specialized forums, you can reach a lot more people and put out content that you are an expert in. If you're a developer, for example, you can use GitHub. If you're not into content, you're more into designs. You want to create a portfolio of your designs. You can use Behance, you can use Dribble. If you're into writing, you can use Medium, you can use HubSpot. There's an endless supply of things here. And I'm talking about platforms. I haven't even come into social media platforms like Twitter, which is now X. You have Facebook, you have Instagram. So many platforms where you can maintain a personal brand. Before I move into general evaluation, I'll just tell you the one reason why X is trending as much as LinkedIn right now. And that's because you have all the big startup founders and all the business professionals using X, but not many creators or founders on X posting content. So, say you're a freelancer or you're a layman who is trying to get more popular using their content, you can post on X or Instagram and you don't even have much competition over there. So it's easier for you to get found and recognized by people that you directly want to reach.